swimming deep in the sea. G is for goat, say it loud with me. H is for hat, wear it right on your dome. I is for igloo, frozen like home. J is for jump, gotta bounce real high, high. K is for kite, flying up in the sky. L is for lion, hear the king go roar. M is for music, that's what we here for. We in the class, getting smart with the alphabet. N to Z, coming up, ain't done yet. If you hear it, better cheer it, don't forget to set. We love letters, yeah we said it, no regret. N is for nest, where the birdies stay. O is for octopus, waving all day. P is for piano, I'm playing that chord. Q is for queen, with a crown and a sword. R is for robot, beep beep bop. S is for snake, make that S drop. T is for train, going choo choo fast. U is for umbrella, when the rain goes past. V is for violin, strings go glide. W is for whale, with a splash and ride. X marks the spot when we go explore. Y is for yo-yo, spin it once more. Z is for zebra with the stripy flow. Now we learn the alphabet, now let's go. So next time you hear this beat, just know we brought